In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Lycamobile SIM card quickly. Whether you're in the USA or anywhere else in the world, getting your SIM active is easy with these simple steps. First, insert your Lycamobile SIM card into your phone. Make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Lycamobile's network. Turn on your phone and wait for it to detect the new SIM. You might see "No service" or "Activate SIM" messages. Don't worry, this is normal. Next, open your phone's web browser and go to lycamobile.com/activate or the regional Lycamobile activation page for your country. Enter your SIM number ICCID and other required details like your phone number or activation code. You can find the SIM number printed on the SIM card or its packaging. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Alternatively, you can activate your SIM by calling Lycamobile customer service or sending a text message with the word "activate" to a specific number provided in your welcome kit. After activation, restart your phone and check for network signal. You should be ready to make calls, send texts, and use data. If you run into issues, contact Lycamobile support or visit their website for help. That's it. Now, your Lycamobile SIM card is active and you're ready to stay connected. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy mobile guides.